Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes, and today we are going to put the ultrasonic cleaner to the test against some of my pliers and long nose pliers. Okay, so the problem that I'm having with this is that it doesn't open all the way. As you can see, I have to force it and it's very tight, and this is squeaky. This is just weird. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in the ultrasonic cleaner and we're gonna put in nut milk. I'm just reusing the container, recycling, right? Okay, so this liquid is a mixture of the previous ultrasonic project, which is degreaser plus dish soap. Alright, so let's get to it. Okay, so we'll let the bubble settle down. Then we will put this into the basket. Ouch. And we'll lower it and see how it goes. Alright, 15 minutes have passed and the bubbles have sort of gone. So what I'll do is I will be setting the temperature to 40 degrees and I'll probably give it 20 minutes, okay? So, alright, we are done and let's have a look. Alright, so the temperature is now at 58 degrees. The water is partially black, grey. Okay, so I've actually run this for 40 minutes, 20 minutes with the pliers closed and 20 minutes with the pliers open, and it does seem to be looking good. So let's take it out. And have a look at this. Okay. Smooth. Able to move all the way to the biggest. Okay, we have things coming out of it, so maybe a bit of a drying up. Do something about that. Okay, looking good. Smooth. And let's have a look at this. This was the one that was actually making noise. Still a bit of noise, but it seems very much looser already. This is good. And just like the other one, water seems to be coming out of it. So what I'll do is I will heat this up so that the water inside here goes away, and then I'll put probably some lubricant like engine oil. Alright, the BD40 is a bit too thin, so it will just not really work. Okay, so what's my conclusion? Will the ultrasonic cleaner make your tools work more efficient, more brand new? I don't even know what that means. Okay, so yes, you can actually clean your tools or your pliers in this case with the ultrasonic cleaner, and it seems to be very effective. Else I will say there's no way for me to actually clean the inside here besides putting oil and moving like that, and then hopefully things come out. I'm impressed with this one. Okay, that's good. Alright, so that's the end of this video. If you like it, hit this. If you dislike it, you can hit this, but leave us a comment down below on what to improve further. Alright, and if you have not done so, which I know based on the analytics that a lot of you have not done so, make sure you subscribe, hit the like, and hit the bell button so that you get notified on our next upload. And till then, I will see you again.